If you're seeing the agent terminated due to error message in Antigravity, this video will show you how to fix it step by step. This error usually happens when the agent process crashes or fails to start properly. It can be caused by corrupted files, permission issues, outdated software, or system conflicts. First, restart the application and your computer. This clears temporary glitches that may be causing the agent to crash. Next, check for updates. Make sure Antigravity is fully updated to the latest version, since older versions can have bugs that trigger this error. After that, try running the application as an administrator. Right-click the program and select Run as Administrator to make sure it has the permissions it needs. If the issue continues, reinstall the application. Uninstall Antigravity completely, then download and install a fresh copy. This can fix corrupted or missing files. You should also check your antivirus or firewall settings. Sometimes security software blocks the agent process from running, so temporarily disable it or add Antigravity as an exception. If none of these fixes work, check the application logs or error messages for more details. This can help identify the exact cause of the issue. After trying these steps, restart the application again. The error should now be resolved. If this helped, consider subscribing for more quick tech fixes.